A retired Ford City teacher was recognized by the state veterans of foreign wars before the end of the current school year. Steve Hefner, who taught at both Shannock Valley and Lenape Elementary Schools in the Armstrong School District, was named a Citizen Education Teacher of the Year. Hefner, who taught 2nd, 4th, 5th, and 6th grades during his career at Lenape Elementary before his retirement in August 2015, was honored with his plaque by Ford City Post 4843 officials and veterans. Hefner, 63, accepted the honor on behalf of his family, including the half-dozen that were at the recognition ceremony.
This great honor was engineered by leadership from God and my great family legacy. Teaching students was not only from the textbook, but from the heart of passionate teachers. I remember experiencing this from former teachers. They just made me feel special about being in the classroom.
A 1972 Ford City High graduate, Hefner remembered his classroom having an "Enter with a Smile" sign above his doorway, a mantra he wanted his students to carry throughout life as well.
I love teaching. I always felt that I had a responsibility for the future of a young person. It was more than just a job to me. It was a commitment. I wanted my kids to grow up to be somebody. I do miss it. I miss it for the kids that are the underdog.
Hefner said he still gets approached and complimented by his former students. District Auxiliary President Nancy Hoover praised Hefner for his efforts.
I'm just amazed what they do, how the kids come out, and they're just so lucky to have the teachers like you and take good care and want to be involved with them.
Hefner's brother, Skip, a U.S. Air Force veteran and retired Pennsylvania State Police trooper, is the oldest in the family, but called Steve his big brother, and said that Steve walks the extra mile.
And the thing that people don't realize is that as a teacher, Stephen has shown me what it's like to work with kids with a sense of devotion. We take everything, and I think that some of the new generations take everything for granted. And one of the things that I learned is from Stephen is that, you just keep on going. That you have to persevere. Every time you turn around, he's always doing something for someone else. Watching the things that he does makes me proud to have him as my big brother.
Skip said Steve has helped make him a better person and was so proud Steve won the award. Hefner's mother, aunt, and niece also spoke highly of him. Each year, 3 exceptional teachers are recognized by the State Veterans of Foreign Wars Department, headquartered in Harrisburg, for their outstanding commitment to teaching Americanism and patriotism to their students. State VFW winners advance to the National VFW level contest for possible additional honors. In addition to Hefner, other winners from the state include Mercer Area Middle High School teacher McKaylee Christie and North Pocono High School World History teacher Cherie Gensel of Covington Township. District 28 Commander Aaron Keppel and Darrell Ray called Hefner a driving force behind Operation Bandage, which has raised thousands of dollars for disabled veterans and also those in need during the past few years. Keppel met Hefner through the effort and his son, Hunter, a Lenape Elementary student. Hefner had 3 brothers that served in Vietnam. One of them, Keith, paid the ultimate price with his life on March 2, 1971. Keith volunteered to serve in the U.S. Army after his high school graduation at 17 years old and died just 3 months into his service. The Pennsylvania Department of VFW consists of 85,000 members and 440 posts throughout the Commonwealth, which makes it the largest VFW state department. Another plaque recognizing Hefner's achievement is to be presented to Lenape Elementary.